I was out here in the garden, in the swing garden, and I noticed that the mimosa's blooming. See? All this that I cleared out last spring, you have to keep it. You have to keep coming out here, and well, my husband comes out here and he just weed eats the whole thing, because you can't take a mower through here. And let me show you why. Because of this. There's a whole bunch of these. Ouch. Where we cut out that Chinese privet. I don't know if it's French or English. Or Chinese. I don't know. Privet. Privet. It feels French. I don't know. But that's what this is. And it grows back. And this stuff can grow 30 feet tall. And it's all around here. You can see there, look, there's another pile that I recently done. And another pile. See, and another pile. Anyway, I still wanted to, I'm not done clearing out here. It's just I didn't really feel it this year. I was focused on other things. But you see here's some privet, that Chinese privet. But I'll tell you what is invasive and everything as it is, it will put off these really pretty smelling white flowers every April. Every April. Here's some more. See how big it is? There's another mimosa over top of me. See it coming down here. When I first started this channel, I couldn't even reach. Oh, look, there's one. Let me see if I can get close to it. I'll pull the thing down here. Anyway, yeah. The kitties are really losing a lot of hair this year. I'm kind of worried it's going to be hot. You remember when I told y'all that a while back that I was going to make some runes out of a tree that was struck by lightning? Well, that is where the wood came from, where the tree was struck. And you see, this is the other side. Ouch, it's grabbing me. It's an oak. See? It's an oak. Anyway, swings kind of feel empty since the kids haven't been around. I really miss them. It's so quiet. My husband chopped that down twice. Not knowing that I wanted to keep it. Because you see, this is also one that a storm took down. See, that was the original tree there. I think this is a white oak. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I came out here because I wanted to show Shannon something. I don't know what these are. They almost remind me of, I haven't looked them up yet. They smell good though. Reminds me of, marigolds, or I don't know. They're real pretty and soft. Okay, right over here. These guys. Look at this. And I cleared a bunch of this out too last year, but it keeps growing back, and we keep trying to take them down. And this one here, we thought we tore up the root to it a while back, and it's just, they've grown right back. This one's little. You can't really see his thorns very well. See him there? You can see big brothers, that's for sure. Uh-huh. Look at that. Look at that big boy. Look at that. Look at that big boy. Don't you just love the little curly cues, though? Well, so it's got to be taken down again, because right there is my swing. And I got to be honest, I haven't been swinging as much. I didn't know when I put the swing here. I mean, yeah, sure, it's for me. It is, but I wouldn't have cleaned all this out if it was just for me. I did this so that I'd have a place to hang out with my grandkids. And I didn't know they were all going to move away. So it got pretty quiet. Look how close that shit is to the swing. Them pokey. Look at that. Look. Oh my God. Oh, you see it? I can't reach. Hang on. Yep. I can't reach it, but you get the point. My feet go right up in it. And so I just haven't been coming out here. And plus, lately it's been kind of hot. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't even know who the hell I am right now. I mean, I am doing all these good things for myself, and I just wonder if that's me, or did somebody kidnap me and leave somebody else in this body? But I guess the fact that I'm asking the question, it's me. I hear kittens. I hear kittens. We don't need no more kittens. We already got like 9 cats. 5 of them are feral. I mean, they travel all over this property, you know. There's more behind me. And there's woods in there. So, I mean, they just probably stick around because I feed them. I don't know. They've been here for years, and I can't see starving them out, because you'd have to quit feeding them for a long time, and I can't do it. I can't do it. But anyway, mostly I just wanted to show the vines and show you the Chinese privet. Whatever the fuck it is. Look, that's what it is. Privet. Look at that crazy shit. Look. Yeah, buddy. And when I cleared it out, it was like this. And it ain't no joke, because some of these places around here are wild. Anybody running through here has got to be crazy. But it protects the fae and the other little creatures and the birds. See how the sun's shining over that little archway right there? Okay. Well, that's all. I love y'all.